Okay, guys, today let's see how to install Jenkins on Ubuntu machine. So the prerequisite for installing Jenkins is Java because Jenkins is a Java-based application. So let's try to install Java JDK. Okay, first let's try to update sudo apt update. Let us wait for this to complete. So it is updated. Now let's try to install Java. Okay, yes. Okay, Java is installed. Now let's check whether it is available. Yeah, we're able to see like OpenJDK 17 is installed. Okay, now let's try to install the Jenkins application. Okay, we can come here, click on this one. So here we can select where we have to install. So we are installing on Linux. Just click on this one. So we have these things for long-term support. So first we have to get the keys and then package of Jenkins. So let's copy this one. Okay, it is done. Now now let's sign with the key. Okay, then we can do sudo apt get update so that the package will be updated with the apt. Then you can copy this command. So it apt get install Jenkins, so it will install Jenkins. Yes, that's it. So Jenkins will be update and it will be up and running soon. Okay, now let's check sudo systemctl status Jenkins. So if you see it is active and running. Okay, as Jenkins is installed now. Now let's try to copy the IP address. So this is the public IP, and by default the port number of Jenkins is 8080. So we have to come to security group. You can find it in the security and then security group. So here we have to add the inbound rules. Okay, so edit inbound rules. Here add a rule custom TCP and the port number is 8080. Okay, and then it has to be allowed from everywhere. Okay, save the rules. So once this is saved, uh, you can just use the IP address and then you can give the port number 8080. So if you see here it is asking for the admin password. You can find this at this location. Okay, you can come to the machine here. Okay, just do Control C, cat, and then paste it. So Okay, you can give it as sudo. So this is the password. Okay, just paste it here. So Jenkins is ready. So it is asking to install the suggested plugins. Just click on it. So it is installing all the default plugins, folders, pipeline kit, LDAP, then Ant, Gradle, email extensions, and SSH build agents. Okay, let's wait for it to complete. Okay, it is done. So now let's try. So we will have a screen like this. So let's try to create a user. Just give the username, password, and confirm password, and then you can give full name, and then save and continue. Okay. So I will skip it for now. Okay, and then here you can give the IP address and everything. Just save and finish. Then you can just click on this. So we have the Jenkins dashboard ready, and we have successfully installed Jenkins. Okay, that's it guys, thank you.